Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. I was thinking a lot about banana bread. More specifically, what could make banana bread even better than it already is? Chocolate. Lots of it. Added a few handfuls of walnut too, which went great with chocolate and banana flavors. So today I'm sharing a healthy version of chocolate banana bread which is good for breakfast, after school snack, or you can share on this Valentine with your loved ones. So first prepare your 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, spray some non-stick oil and then line it with a piece of parchment paper. And then keep it on the side and take a medium-sized mixing bowl and sift some whole wheat flour. Then add some baking powder and baking soda. Then add some ground cinnamon, some salt and cocoa powder. Sift them very well. And then I added coconut sugar in this mixture. You can add brown sugar as well, or you can mix your sugar with the wet mixture as well. So just mix everything until it's combined. Then take a large mixing bowl and add some overly ripe bananas, 5 to 6, or when you mash them, they're gonna be like around 1.5 cup. Then I've added some melted coconut oil and then crack some eggs. Add milk and vanilla and then mix until it's completely combined. Then it's time to add our dry ingredients into this wet mixture and start folding until just combined. Then if you're adding walnuts and chocolate chips, so just add some chopped walnuts and a handful of chocolate chips, or maybe a little more. Fold them in the mixture and again mix them until they are just combined. Do not over mix them, it's gonna end up having a tough and hard bread which nobody wants. Then transfer this mixture into your prepared pan. Smooth the top with the spatula or the back of your spoon. Now bake it for 1 hour on a preheated oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now allow bread to cool in the pan for at least 15 minutes. Now transfer your bread onto a wire rack to cool completely. Now if you want an extra decadent treat, I drizzle some of my homemade chocolate ganache on top of my bread and then sprinkle some chopped walnuts for added touch. Then cut into slices once it's completely cooled down. As you can see, my bread is still warm and smoke is coming out because my family loves the freshly baked warm bread with a cup of milk or a coffee. Nothing tops old-fashioned banana bread except maybe this chocolate version. Each slice is studded with nuts and chocolate chips. I call this healthy chocolate banana bread because to me it's made with healthy ingredients and I feel good about it. That said, it's still banana bread. If you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.